Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the strawberry pot of gold. So I got a little water in the bottom of my cup. I'm adding 2 scoops of H3O. I'm adding a scoop of Immunity Essentials. Adding some raspberry tea, a teaspoon and a half. I'm going to stir that up. I'm going to add a orange Liftoff. Then I'm going to pack the cup with ice. And then I'm going to top the tea with our strawberry explosion that we have on tap, which is strawberry Stevia and strawberry Watermelon Mio. Thanks for watching.